Hey everyone, Shauna Burhop with Beard & Warner, and today I'm going to tour you around my new listing at 611 West Burning Tree in Arlington Heights. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with great space, lots of amenities, and so many improvements. You're gonna love it here. The large foyer area is a perfect place to greet your guests, hang coats, and flow right into this beautiful living and dining space featuring laminate wood floors, recessed lighting, and wonderful large windows, bringing in lots of natural light. The dining room flows easily into the kitchen, featuring fresh white cabinetry, solid surface counters, a new tile backsplash, beautiful large windows with natural light, recessed lighting, and easy access outside to the deck area. A few steps down from the kitchen, you'll find this beautifully remodeled powder room. Right off, this amazing family room space. It's really large, with plenty of room for hanging out with family and friends, watching a movie, playing games, doing puzzles. And check out this end of the room, perfect for your large screen TV, or add a couple desks for at-home school, working from home, or throw up some exercise equipment. There's room for all of that. There's storage off this area too. You'll appreciate that. Upstairs, you'll find this lovely main bedroom suite with these really pretty dark wood laminate floors, nice windows, dual closets, and a completely remodeled bathroom private to this bedroom. On this same level, you're going to find 3 other nicely sized bedrooms, all with these beautiful floors, all with new interior doors and trims, new windows, fresh paint, and good closet space. These bedrooms share a hall bath that's also been nicely remodeled. Right from the kitchen, you'll be able to step outside the deck, which has been beautifully maintained, and it's a great spot to relax, grill, or entertain. The entire yard is fenced and has a great amount of grassy play area. Thanks for touring 611 West Burning Tree with me, and if you'd like more information or a personal tour, just reach out. I know you're gonna love it here.